Do you see that?
Wait.
This is
We
community.
got one bag of celery left.
This is community getting to know each other. That's what's happening right now. Community effort. Making friends. Building bonds. Uniting. That's what you see. That's the dream. It makes me happy. The community is serving each other. We're just assisting. You bring it and let them do the rest. Now they're making friends. I love it.
She packing it up all the way going on. I see all the dudes just doing this, like. I saw them over there, like, why you trying to be so nice with it? Like,
Get back.